Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you some recipes that are really good for bringing to potlucks. I seem to go to a lot of like family dinners and different events where everyone just brings food. So I know that I'm always super interested in finding new recipes and new dishes that I can bring to these things that are easy to share. So I'll be showing you 2 recipes in this video, but then I'm also going to link 5 other recipes below that I have made in previous videos that you guys can go check out, because I also think that those recipes are really good for bringing to potlucks. But yeah, let's just get into the 2 new recipes. First thing we're adding is some vegan margarine. I use vegan basil, but you can use softened vegan butter as well. And I just cream that together with the brown sugar by hand. You can also use a mixer, but I just wanted to show you guys that it is possible to do it by hand as well. You kind of just have to beat it with your hand to get it to this fluffy consistency. And then the next thing you want to add is the almond or soy milk and vanilla extract. And again, just stir that up until it's combined. Then you're going to add your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And I like to whisk these together separately and then add it in 2 parts because I find it's just easier to stir that way and get it all combined into a smooth dough without spilling the flour everywhere. So that's why I always do it in 2 parts. You can really get creative with what you put in these. I wanted to make mine super chunky with a lot of mix-ins, so I added some chopped walnuts, toasted coconut, and mini dairy-free chocolate chips. So then the last thing you need to do is just pour that into your baking pan, press it down with a spoon or with your hands like I'm doing here, and then bake it in the oven for pretty much exactly 20 minutes. And as usual, all of the directions and measurements and everything will be linked below. And then when they're done, you just want to take them out and let them cool a couple minutes before you cut them. And this is what they look like when they are done. For the broccoli salad, we are starting off making the dressing with some vegan mayo, some white vinegar, and organic granulated cane sugar. Then you just want to whisk it up until it is a smooth consistency. To make the salad, you're just going to get a big bowl and add your chopped broccoli and red onion. I like to make sure that the broccoli is in fairly small pieces. So then you just want to add some of your dressing, some vegan cheddar shreds, and as an optional step, I added some bacon bits. When my mom used to make the non-vegan version of this, she always put bacon in it, so I thought that using some little soy bacon bits would kind of add that smoky flavor. And I don't like adding all the sauce right off the bat. I like to add it in small amounts and see how much I actually need. This is best if you make it at least a few hours before. I like to make it the night before because it tastes a lot better the second day, I find. So that's just a little tip for you. Okay, so the 5 recipes that I wanted to tell you guys about, have them written here, is my dessert hummus. If you want to like put some fruit around it and some graham crackers and dip that in the hummus, really good. The next one is black bean and quinoa chili. So if you have like a slow cooker or something that will kind of like keep it warm, then that's a really good thing to bring to wherever you're going. Next one is a Southwest pasta salad. So this is one that's meant to be eaten cold, so you don't have to reheat it. The next is cookie dough cupcakes, and these are pretty self-explanatory. They're just like the best thing ever, and they are super cute. People are always like really intrigued to try them. The last thing is raw vegan brownies, and these are a really nice one too because you can just make them ahead of time, keep them in the fridge, and then bring them with you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that this was helpful to you in some way. Thank you as always for your support. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.